You're going to come in, you're going to log in, you're going to turn the computer on, log in like you normally would. You're going to turn on the projector or the TV like you normally would. Get connected to the TV. So this is an Apple TV room. We use a product called Parrot. It's this little parrot looking thing. When it comes up, if you don't see the screen here, you come down to the system tray and you'll see the little parrot face down there. You click on the parrot face, it'll come up. We're in BOA room 101, so I'm going to click on BOA 101. If this is the first time you've logged into the machine and the first time you've connected to the Apple TV, it's going to ask you for a code that displays on the TV to make sure we're connected to the right spot. So we're now connected to the TV. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your PowerPoint like you normally would do if you're going to do a presentation. And then we're going to go ahead and open up your Webex. On these particular computers, the camera is at the top and can be pushed down and hidden like that. You'll start your meeting like you normally would. You're going to want to record your session if you need to record this particular session. So you're going to click record and record in the cloud. That's how I would do it. And then you're going to commence with your PowerPoint presentation and teach the class the way you normally would teach your class. When you're done with the PowerPoint presentation and you want to have the students see you, you're going to stop sharing and it's back to the camera and you. You can address the remote students, and when you're done with class, go ahead and stop recording and you're done. In order to do the iPad, it's actually even simpler. We're going to swipe down from the corner. You're going to go to screen sharing. We're in BOA 101. I'm going to click on it. I've connected before, so it's not going to ask me for the code. If it's the first time you're in the room with your iPad, it's going to ask you to verify the code that's displayed on the screen. And that's really about all there is to it. You will continue to do your PowerPoint or whatever it is you're doing on the iPad with the students. When you're done, come back, go to screen sharing, stop sharing. Now you're out of the Apple TV.
Some additional notes: if you have been using Blackboard Collaborate, you can use that the same way you would use Webex. Make sure you are recording to the cloud, and you will continue to use your DSU login credentials on all systems, including the Apple TVs.